Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a making video, and this is from movie
Jilla.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Vijay sir here and Mohanlal sir.
Yes.
Okay, so we have already done the Jilla movie trailer video, right?
Yes.
So that was outstanding, and also we have seen some couple of movies clips, I think, from Jilla movie,
Yeah.
but I am not sure whether
Those
that videos are there
live or not.
live or not. I think
got
blocked.
Yes.
Got blocked actually.
Yes.
So yes, this time it is Jilla making video. So
And
let's
in
get
this
started.
video also we have two big star.
Big stars, yes. So no question about that. So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
So chalo, let's get started.
Okay.
Brushing.
Nice one.
So people are surrounding.
Yeah.
He's looking very fit.
Yeah. काजल अग्रवाल ही also. How serious? Yeah.
Wow, that was very small clip, right?
Yeah.
It was very small clip. I wish it should contain a lot more.
Minimum 5 minutes.
Yes, but yes, it was like hilarious, right?
Yes, so they
A
were
lot of
enjoying while
people
shooting
are-
also. Yes.
While shooting also they were enjoying,
Yeah.
and a lot of people are gathered. So that
Actually-
is also
Actually, I don't think those people are from outside. Those all are the part of that
part
team.
of the team.
Yes.
Okay, okay. No, but sometimes happen. No, people are gathered because
Sometimes
of seeing
happen
the shooting
because
and all.
if that happens outside somewhere, in that case it happened. But it was
They
happening.
will not allow.
Yes, it was
So much
inside
people.
some
Correct.
bungalow or something. It was
Yes,
happening.
yes.
So
But a lot, like cameraman was there, light man was there, then makeup man was there, and in front of all, they all are giving perfect shot. That is also very difficult
Yes.
because a lot of distraction can be happened. A lot of people are there. They are doing their task. A lot of lights and camera sounds.
Yeah.
Directors, everyone is like watching on you, and you are giving your perfect shot. That is
Yeah.
very symbol
actually
of
they
a
are too much
true actor.
experienced. That's
Experienced
why they know how to handle these situations.
situation.
Yeah.
And Vijay sir was like that
Too much,
scene. This
fit.
scene was like he was enjoying that scene, and he was doing exactly like whichever director told.
Yeah.
Right, and director also told that in this way you just do, and
Yes.
he was just doing that way only. So it was like
Right.
super.
Super.
Okay,
And Vijay sir
amazing.
was too much fit. He was
He
looking
was
too
looking
much
fit.
Slim,
Ah,
yeah, you can say.
slim, not that
Not
much
too
slim,
much
like
of a muscular, you can
bulky.
say.
It is not
Yes.
muscular. It is not. He was looking a college going guy and having a very fit body, not
Yeah.
that much muscular body,
Yes.
but he was looking very fit and very
Correct.
healthy, you can say, not
Yes.
that much. Okay, so
Yes.
yes, that was very good actually. And Mohanlal sir
Mohanlal
also,
sir,
he was
as
combing
usual.
his beard
Beard,
and all of the hairs.
That too much beard on his face, it suits him a lot.
Suits him a
yes.
lot. Yes,
I think
yes.
if he saves all the beard,
Manly.
he will not look that much good.
That good, yes. He was looking, very superb in the father role. He
Yeah.
is a father role,
Yes.
right? In this movie Jilla,
Yeah.
right? And also
And this
Kajal
movie-
Agarwal was like looking a little bit of glimpses of Kajal Agarwal we saw
Yeah.
today, right? In
He
this
was
making.
also looking fit.
Fit only.
Yes.
I think they have done some push-ups or some workouts
They
before.
actually they do a
the
lot
shoot.
of workouts also. And Vijay sir, what our audience have told, they have told
Yeah.
that he doesn't do any that much
Workout.
workout.
He doesn't do that. Yeah.
Do yoga, and internally he is too much fit. He
He is
doesn't need to
internally
do that much anything else.
habit of good food habit and
Ah.
everything. That is the main cause of
Yeah.
being fit.
Lifestyle also that
Lifestyle
matters.
also. And he was like one scene we saw that under the umbrella, someone I think the director was telling something to Vijay sir, and he was like wearing a goggles, sunglass, and he was looking very smart. He was looking very smart and handsome.
smart.
What not like. He's very smart actually.
Yes.
We have seen older Vijay sir, and now
Lot of
lot of difference. That time Vijay sir was looking cute, naughty
Yes.
kind of, but not that much fit and smart, cool. Now he is looking extra smart and cool.
That's true.
Definitely.
And I think his age is getting reduced.
Reduced. Yes,
Yes.
you are true. And yes, this video was like very good, and I wish it should be a little longer. We couldn't find actually.
Yeah, right.
we couldn't find.
We are finding like we should get some
At
bigger
least
clip.
5 minutes at
Yes,
least,
but
so
we
that we
didn't
can
got any
enjoy
bigger
a little
clip.
more. Yeah, we didn't get. So yes, this is a small video, even though we have enjoyed a lot,
Yeah.
right? So I really hope that you will also enjoy this video. And now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Pravid HJ. He is writing his comment on Masterpiece Kannada movie trailer reaction, and he is saying that do not judge movie by its trailer. Watch the movie, just mind blowing. Do not predict anything without watching
Watching the movie.
Yes. So
True. Yes.
That's true. We
Ah.
can't judge anything by its cover only.
Yeah, book
So,
cannot be judged by its cover.
Yeah.
So many times we told these things that the trailer might not be that good, but
That
the
good, but
movie
movie
is
can-
outstanding.
can be outstanding. Yes.
And sometimes that also reverse also
Reverse
can
also-
happen.
also
The
happens. We
trailer
have
is
seen-
very good.
Yeah,
But
we have faced like that kind of
faced,
situation. We
yeah.
have seen the trailer; it's look like superb, and when
Superb,
we
but movie is
go to
very
watch that movie,
Yeah.
it was not that much good.
Yes.
It happens.
So you are correct only, Praveet, and definitely we have a plan to see this movie. Not now, but someday. Masterpiece, right? Kannada movie, and we have Yash. I think
Yes,
your
right.
favorite. You like Yash a lot.
Yes.
So yes, we have a plan, and definitely we will watch and share our views with you all.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, Praveet, for watching and for commenting on our videos. So the second comment for today's video is from Sharan B, and he is commenting on Arman Rathod dance sensational video
Yes.
from TikTok. So he is commenting, hats off to you guys for the support you are giving to a new talent instead of always reacting to famous hero scenes. Keep it up.
Yeah.
So yes, thank you so much, Sharan.
Thank you so much for
Actually,
appreciating
yes,
us. Yes.
So our channel is meant to be like that only, that whenever we saw some good talent or some appreciable things
Right.
on our platform,
Yes.
we always like to focus that thing, and we always try to give that thing,
our
give a
reaction
reaction
or,
on that particular
We also
thing
try to
with you all.
highlight those people who
Yeah.
are doing the good for society also.
Yes, that is
Yes.
very good. And
whoever is showing their good talent,
Yeah.
At least we can expose them, we can connect to the other people from our medium.
yes, that is
Yes.
very good.
That's what
actually,
we
and
usually try to do.
they can get a platform to showcase their talent even more, and
Yeah.
that is the main important thing, because
At least through our
in this
medium also
way-
it can reach to the many people.
yeah, definitely. So that is why the reaction
Yes,
channel
right,
is
of
meant to
course.
be. People are keep on like asking what is the meaning of reacting and all. So this is the true meaning of reacting. Actually, if you give your views, give your reactions to the people, and it will reach to a millions of people, then
Yeah.
this kind of talent will be showcased a little more in the outer world. And that is a very proud thing for Indian, for not only Indian, for
Everybody.
everyone, human
We
being.
can give a reaction to each and every people, apart from India also, anywhere in the world,
worldwide. Okay.
whoever is doing good for our
Yes.
society or for the world, we can give.
Yeah. So that is why actually, and thank you so much, Sharan B,
Yes.
for your comments. So thank you for watching our videos.
So the third and the last comment for today is from MM. He is saying that hello dears, you both are just adorable and your reaction too. And please react on our horror movie starter Siddharth.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
I don't know about this movie.
We also we don't have any idea about this movie.
right.
We have to search in the Google. If you have any link, you can please provide us.
Or else I think we will get it.
We can get it right.
yes.
Our horror movie Siddharth hai, I think
Yeah,
उसमें
right.
ना.
So,
So yes, definitely we have to search, and if you get any link, we will definitely give our reaction on that.
Yeah.
I am very much a fan of horror movies
Horror
and all.
movies, yes.
I find it very exciting and thrilling, so I watch a lot. So yes, that would be fun for me.
yes.
So thank
Yesterday
you.
only we were searching for Grudge.
Grudge.
Got released in 2020 itself.
But it was not there in Prime, so we got 2008 wala.
Yes.
That is very old.
Right.
So I thought of watching, but somehow
But
I was
think,
not feeling well. So
we have seen that movie.
we
during
have seen
college
that movie.
days only.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why I didn't watch that
yeah,
movie.
yes. So thank you, MM, for watching and for commenting on our video.
Yeah.
So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone, whoever have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a regular basis, and who always give us positive comments.
Yes.
That means a lot to us, and that also increases our curiosity, our interest for doing more
Yes.
videos, for
And
doing
also
more
make us
reactions.
feel happy.
Happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the most important thing.
Yes.
So thank you is not the enough word, we know, but still thank you so much. Okay, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to
Yes.
like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.